Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's look is a full face get ready with me talk through. I'm using one palette in this whole entire look. It's the Morphe Day Slayer palette. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, please continue to watch. So first off, I already did my brows. If you guys want to see a brow tutorial, I will definitely post one for you. But I'm using the color Natural in my above crease. Now I'm going into the crease with the color Editor. Nice warm neutral colors. Go with any outfit and just day or night, like you're good either way. You can't go wrong with this type of look. Now in the outer corner, I'm going to go in with the color Desert just to deepen up the crease a little bit and the outer corner of my eye. Add some depth to it. Now I'm going to get started on my lid. I always like to wet my brush when I'm using any type of shimmery eyeshadow. I use Fix Plus spray if I don't have water. But I went in on my lid with the color Spark. Now I'm just going to go back in with a little bit of that Desert on the outer corner just to darken it up a little bit. And I already did my lashes off camera. In the other videos I've done, I did like my lashes on, I think. I'm sorry if I didn't. I can't remember. I think I did. But again, whatever I don't do in this video, I'll do in the next. Right now I'm on to foundation. I've been using this foundation for the longest. It's like the best foundation I have ever used in my life. It doesn't break me out. It matches me and it's just amazing. This is the Too Faced Born This Way. I'm in the color Sand. To highlight, I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the color Medium. just to add some color back into my face, I'm gonna contour with the the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the color Deep. Also, guys, just a quick little disclaimer. I know my hair is looking like some next type of squirrel's nest right now. But, you know, just one of those days, like, you know when your face is beat, everything else don't really matter, you know? That's how I feel, but yeah, I really don't care about my hair, like, all the time. And I was not going anywhere, so, yeah. So once I make sure that there's no creasing underneath my eyes, I just go in with the Laura Mercier translucent powder, and I just apply a little bit of that underneath my eye just to set it. To set my face, I use the NYX No Filter finishing powder in the color Medium Olive. And then just to bronze up my face, I go in also with the bronze booster from Physicians Formula. And this is in the color Medium to Dark. And then to deepen up my contour, I go in with Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer in the color Mahogany. Now I'm going to go in with the NARS mascara. It's called Climax. At first, I wasn't really feeling it because it was just, to me, I wanted it to be clumpy, which it is, but it just was kind of like a little bit too inky, if that makes sense. Like it just transferred a little bit too much or something like that. I don't know if I'm explaining that right. Probably not. But I'm used to using the Tarte mascara. But after I used this one a couple times, I will say that it definitely has grown on me. I also forgot to mention earlier that the lashes I'm using are the Ardell Mega Volume lashes in the number 253. Now I'm going in with a brown lip pencil. I don't have this color on me right now, but it's from the beauty supply store. Like any brown lip liner will do the trick, I promise. Now I'm going to go in with the Tarte Rum Punch lipstick. This color is so pretty. It just goes really, really well with a brown lip liner. So yeah, you should definitely check it out. Now to top that off and to finish this look, I'm going to go in with the NYX Butter Gloss in the color Madeline. And I love pairing this gloss with like any type of nude or brown lip. It's just perfection. So yeah, guys, we reached the end of this video. This is the completed look. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If there's anything else that you guys want to see besides makeup tutorials, please leave a comment and let me know. But yeah, also let me know what you thought about this look. I really enjoyed it. It came out pretty nicely. By the way, also, I know my lighting right now is a little bit sus because I'm using natural lighting, but I do plan on getting a ring light soon, so hopefully the quality will be a lot better. But hope you guys enjoyed, and please share and comment and like and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.